Welcome, explorers, to France, a country that offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and gastronomy. Renowned worldwide as a premier travel destination, France promises experiences that are both unforgettable and diverse. From the bustling city life of Paris to the serene landscapes of the Loire Valley, from the charming streets of Bordeaux to the captivating beauty of Provence, France has something for everyone. Our journey will take us through these enchanting locales and more, such as the mystical Mont Saint-Michel, the radiant French Riviera, the historic Dordogne, and the alluring Alsace. We'll also explore the vibrant cities of Lyon, Marseille, Nice, Strasbourg, Toulouse, and Montpellier. This video is your travel guide, providing you with insights on do, places to eat, historical sites to visit, and tips on affordable accommodations and transportation. So, without further ado, embark on this virtual journey through the beautiful France. First stop, Paris, the mesmerizing city of lights. Paris is not only the capital of France, but also the hub of fashion, art, and gastronomy. This vibrant city has a rich tapestry of experiences to offer. Let's start with things to do. Make sure to visit the iconic Eiffel Tower, stroll along the Seine, and explore the artistic neighborhood of Montmartre. For museum enthusiasts, the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay are a must-visit. Feeling hungry? Paris is a culinary paradise. You can savor authentic French cuisine in bistros like Chez l'Ami Jean, or enjoy a classic French pastry at Pierre Hermé. And let's not forget about the wine. A trip to Paris wouldn't be complete without a wine tasting session. When it comes to accommodation, Paris offers a range of options. From quaint boutique hotels in the Latin Quarter to more budget-friendly options like the Generator Paris in the trendy 10th arrondissement, there's something for every budget. Getting around is a breeze with Paris's extensive public transportation network. The metro is affordable and reaches every corner of the city. Alternatively, you can rent a bike or simply explore the city on foot. The city's architecture is a feast for the eyes. From the Gothic Notre Dame Cathedral to the modern Centre Pompidou, Paris's architectural landscape is diverse and stunning. Immerse yourself in Parisian culture by catching a show at the Moulin Rouge, or simply sit in a cafe and watch the world go by. From its iconic landmarks to its vibrant culture, Paris is indeed a city that never sleeps. Next, we journey to the sun-drenched French Riviera. This corner of France is a magnet for the world's elite, draped in endless sunshine and glamorous allure. Picture pristine beaches, the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea lapping at the shore, and luxury yachts dotting the horizon. The Riviera isn't all about the glitz and glamour, though. It's also home to charming old towns like Nice, where narrow cobblestone streets lead to bustling markets. Here, you can sample local delicacies like soca, a chickpea pancake savored with a glass of rosé. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Riviera transforms into a vibrant playground. World-class nightclubs in Cannes and Saint-Tropez come alive, with music spilling into the balmy night. But the Riviera is also a cultural hub, boasting art galleries that house works from Picasso to Matisse, and film festivals that draw international crowds. With its endless sunshine and glamorous allure, the French Riviera is a true paradise. Moving on to the majestic Loire Valley, the Garden of France. This enchanting region is renowned for its spectacular castles, each one a storybook illustration of France's regal history. From the awe-inspiring Château de Chambord to the romantic Château de Chenonceau, these architectural masterpieces are a must-see. Equally compelling are the sprawling vineyards that blanket the landscape, home to some of the country's most celebrated wines. Whether you're a connoisseur or a casual sipper, indulge in a glass or two of the local Vouvray or Sancerre. Let's not forget the charming historic towns dotting the valley, like Blois and Amboise, where you can immerse yourself in the timeless French culture. While you're there, delve into the local cuisine. Try a plate of rillettes de Tours, a savory pâté-style dish, or tarte tatin, a delicious upside-down caramelized apple tart. The Loire Valley, with its regal chateaux and lush vineyards, is a testament to France's royal past. Now, we find ourselves at the mystical Mont Saint-Michel. This island commune in Normandy, France, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of our ancestors. Perched atop a rocky islet amid vast sandbanks exposed to powerful tides, this architectural marvel dates back to the 8th century. It is a place where the boundary between land and sea is blurred, offering an ethereal beauty that is nothing short of magical. The Abbey is a marvel of medieval architecture with its Gothic spires, stout defensive walls, and delicate flying buttresses. Its winding streets and ancient buildings tell tales of a time long past, yet still alive in the stone and mortar. Not far from Mont Saint-Michel, you can find charming coastal towns serving local delicacies like the mouth-watering salt marsh lamb or the famous Normandy apple cider. Steeped in history and shrouded in mystery, Mont Saint-Michel is truly a sight to behold. Marvel at its grandeur, soak in its history, and let it take you on a journey back in time. Welcome to Provence, a region famed for its lavender fields and sunny skies. Provence is a place that's almost too good to be true. A sun-drenched region where the scent of lavender and rosemary fill the air, and where life is lived at a leisurely pace. Meander through the narrow streets of its historic towns, where old stone houses are adorned with vibrant bougainvillea and ivy. Savor the local cuisine, a delightful mix of Mediterranean flavors and rustic country fare. You mustn't miss the ratatouille, a traditional vegetable stew, or the bouillabaisse, a sumptuous seafood soup. And of course, a visit to Provence would not be complete without a glass of its world-renowned rosé. Immerse yourself in the region's cultural highlights, from the Roman ruins of Arles to the art-filled streets of Saint-Paul-de-Vence, a haunt of the greats like Picasso and Matisse. Provence, with its picturesque landscapes and charming villages, is sure to captivate your heart. Next, we visit Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world. Nestled in southwestern France, Bordeaux is renowned for its lush vineyards, producing some of the most exquisite wines globally. From the Grand Chateau Margaux to the enchanting Chateau Lafite Rothschild, the region boasts a wine tour to suit every palate. But Bordeaux is not just about wines. It's a culinary delight too. Remember to try the local delicacy, entrecôte bordelaise, a rib steak cooked in a rich wine sauce, or indulge in canellas de Bordeaux, small French pastries flavored with rum and vanilla, a sweet end to any meal. Let's not forget, Bordeaux is a cultural haven. The city's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is brimming with architectural marvels. From the majestic Gothic cathedrals to the Grand Place de la Bourse, every corner tells a unique story. Bordeaux, with its world-class wines and historic charm, is a must-visit for any wine lover. Now let's head to the charming region of Alsace. Nestled between the Vosges Mountains and the Rhine River, Alsace is a region steeped in history and brimming with cultural wonders. Step into the past as you stroll through the cobblestone streets of Strasbourg's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where centuries-old half-timbered houses stand proudly alongside modern structures. Don't forget to visit the soaring Strasbourg Cathedral, a marvel of Gothic architecture. Then, take your taste buds on an adventure with the region's local cuisine. From the hearty choucroute garni, a dish of sauerkraut and various meats, to the sweet, spiced pain d'épices, Alsace's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of French and German influences. Culture enthusiasts will revel in the region's festivals. The Colmar International Festival, for instance, brings together artists from around the world for a celebration of music in the heart of summer. With its half-timbered houses and renowned vineyards, Alsace is a fairy tale come to life. Finally, we arrive at the historic region of Dordogne. Our journey takes us to a place where history has left a deep and enduring mark. The Dordogne is home to more than 1,000 castles, each a testament to the region's medieval past. As you wander through these ancient fortifications, you can almost hear the echoes of knights and nobles. The region is also known for its prehistoric caves, some of which are adorned with stunning Paleolithic art. These caves offer a glimpse into the lives and imaginations of our earliest ancestors, making Dordogne a must-visit for history buffs. The charm of Dordogne extends to its picturesque villages, where you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, take in the beautiful scenery, and savor the local cuisine. Make sure to try the region's signature dishes, such as truffles and duck confit. Dordogne is not just a place, it's an experience. It's a journey back in time that will leave you with lasting memories. Dordogne, with its rich history and stunning landscapes, is a journey back in time. And thus concludes our virtual journey through France. We've explored the City of Lights, Paris, with its iconic Eiffel Tower and charming cafes, We've strolled along the sun-kissed beaches of the French Riviera and admired the chateau of the majestic Loire Valley. We've been captivated by the mystical island commune of Mont Saint-Michel and seduced by the alluring lavender fields of Provence. We've savored the world-class wines of Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world, and experienced the unique blend of German and French influences in the charming region of Alsace. Our journey also took us to the historic region of Dordogne, where medieval castles and prehistoric caves tell tales of a bygone era. And let's not forget the diverse cities we've visited, from the culinary delights of Lyon and the ancient port city of Marseille, to the elegant Nice, vibrant Bordeaux, the picturesque Strasbourg, the dynamic Toulouse, and the youthful Montpellier. Each region, each city in France offers a unique experience, a distinctive flavor. The country's rich history is etched in its architecture, its culture permeates through its art and festivals, and its gastronomy is a celebration of its bountiful produce and culinary prowess. France is more than just a travel destination. It's an experience, a feeling. So, pack your bags and get ready to experience the beauty, history, and gastronomy of France. Au revoir and happy travels.